In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks in Ticktick with lists, tags, and smart filters. Let's start with the foundation, regular lists. Think of lists as your project buckets, marketing plan, home renovation, travel prep, whatever makes sense for how you work. Add tasks into the appropriate list so each project has a clear home. This simple structure keeps everything tidy and makes it easier to filter later. Next, head into Settings and enable tags and filters. Turning these on unlocks powerful ways to slice your tasks without moving them around. Tags add context across lists, like #work, #home, or #errands. When you create or edit a task, add one or two tags that best describe where, when, or how you plan to do it. Keep tag names short and consistent so they're easy to remember and type. Now let's talk about dynamic views. Ticktick has built-in smart lists, like today and this week, that automatically gather tasks based on dates. You can go further by creating your own custom smart lists, also called filters. These pull tasks using criteria you choose, such as lists, tags, due dates, priority, or even keywords that appear in the task title or notes. The beauty is that filters update themselves, so you always see the right tasks at the right time. To create one, tap the plus button where you add new items and choose to create a filter. Give it a clear name, then set the criteria. For example, you could include tasks from your work list, tagged with #work, due this week, and set to high priority. You can also narrow it using keywords like report to only surface tasks that mention it. Save the filter, and you've got an automated view that shows exactly what matters. Use these filters to match your day. A focus filter might show today's tasks with high priority. An errands filter could pull anything tagged #errands due this week. A deep work filter might include tasks with the keyword draft or design coming from specific project lists. The key is to keep each filter intentional and uncluttered. As you work, add the right tags and priorities to tasks so your filters stay accurate. If a filter feels noisy, refine the criteria or remove a tag that's too broad. Over time, you'll build a small set of views that reduce decision fatigue and help you jump straight into action. That's it. Lists for structure, tags for context, and smart filters for flexible, automated views. Turn them on, set them up with the plus button, and let Ticktick do the sorting for you.